So another bad hair day. I have a mess. So today is another day that I have available to work on this car and get this move on or move forward with this manual transmission swap. Don't have the rear main seal. That's one thing that's holding me back. I'm going to order it today, but I'm doing what I can. In the meantime, I think I did that in the previous video. So I got the automatic transmission shifter out. Don't have this plug yet. I don't know if it's a plug that I can buy. If I can, I will. So I think BMW has some kind of a foam insulation for this place. I think I should look that up. So since I'm not using some of these cables, I try to do a bit of a cable management here. Kind of looks okay, I guess, for now. Yeah, moving on with the pedals, I guess. That's another interior part. You remove all these plastics out of the way. Prepare to be dealing with a few tabs that are stubborn. So here's thing number one that kind of really puzzled me. So this plastic shield or cover kind of has a provision for a clutch pedal installation, but I mean there's a cutout in the foam, but there is no cutout in the plastic itself. I'm not sure if I want to buy this that is meant to be used with manual with the clutch, or just cut this out myself and make it look ugly. So also I got my gas pedal out. Apparently these pedals are different, manual versus automatic, so I got this one out. So this is the automatic gas pedal, and I went by the part numbers. I think this is the pedal. I'm not sure. I think it came off I'm not sure actually. I think it said M3, but the part number actually matched to what the manual transmission card uses. I hope this pedal works. These pedals are really different, as can be seen here. Not sure if this is because of the year or that's how the manual versus automatic is. This one has a sensor plug here. This one has a sensor with a plug on the side, and it's got some kind of a activation pusher, whatever that is. So in order to remove the gas pedal, you have to get rid of this. You have to remove this screw and then just push the pedal up. There is a metal tab right there. This pedal slides over, and there is a slot for it on the top of the pedal. And of course unplug the sensor, and the pedal comes out. This one will just go in. I'll just plug it. This is a funny. That's a funny sensor, by the way, or whatever that is. End position. I don't know what it is. So as far as the brake and the clutch pedal assembly, that's what's in the car currently. Here is two nuts that hold this in place, and there is one on the top somewhere. I saw it. I know. Not on this one. I think there is one here. Huh, interesting. I thought I saw something. Oh yeah, it's just above the brake pedal. So there's a nut here, there's two more nuts here. It just confused me because it was kind of sideways. Oh, what else? So this clutch comes with the master clutch cylinder, and that hooks up to this kind of hose. I had to buy this OEM. It also comes or needs this grommet to seal where this hose goes through the firewall. So then we have this clutch line with basically a metal tube with a rubber hose that plugs into the slave, and that plugs into the master cylinder somewhere here, I think, like so. This also has a like a bushing and a grommet. I had to actually buy those two. So this was the grommet for this hose, and this was this seal flash grommet. This one, the bigger one, for the clutch line grommet, and the line had the inner bushing on it already. That's as far as the pedals and lines and hoses go. Now as far as hooking up that hose, I think, well, there is the spot, I guess, for it right here, right there, that opening here where I'm sticking my finger. Oh no! In any case, I think that's the opening right there for that hose to go through and the grommet to be installed. And so then that hose comes out of that grommet through the firewall and hooks up to, I guess, to this fitting. I need to verify that. And this, finally, I guess something that is hard to see, but so this is the spot where the clutch line comes out. Right here, kind of hard to see, I guess. There's a clearance in the sound insulation that you kind of break off, and there is a plug pre-installed, like a rubber plug, but that plug comes out, and what I can feel is the carpet. We'll have to research that a little bit, but that's where it comes out. Right, because here I don't really see any place for that clutch line to come out. Hopefully I don't have to remove the carpet and such. I'm not a fan of doing that. So continuing with this installation, I had to peel the carpet back like this so I could have enough room for the clutch line to have room to push that clutch line through, because otherwise you have no room to maneuver that 90-degree bend, and it's just close to impossible to get it routed. So I got this clutch hose with a grommet through the firewall in place too. So what's left is to hook this up here, I think, and it feels like I have quite a few inches of this hose extra. So as far as this, under the cord there's the grommet in place here, and this is the clutch line. This is the way it comes out through the factory location that has been provisioned for the manual everything installation, which is kind of nice. I did a manual transmission swap on Nissan Maxima back in the day when I was young and stupid. I still am stupid, but and that was a nightmare compared to this. Yep, that's the clutch line. So it hooks up to the slave clutch cylinder right here. Well, I suppose at this point I can really push the carpet back to where it belongs. So here is the clutch hard line, and I think it's just the only position where it can be. I don't think it's movable. And this is the clutch hose, the supply hose that connects to the brake reservoir. I mean, there isn't much really I can do about it. I mean, not that I have to, but it's kind of funny. And I guess I can install the clutch and brake pedal assembly now and hook all these things up.